What if AI was supposed to save you money, but didn't? Thousands of Reddit users are sharing real receipts. Some companies spent $300,000 on AI tools in 1 year. Their previous human team cost $180,000. That's not a cost saving. That's a disaster. And it's happening more than anyone admits. But the real question isn't whether AI is expensive. It's why, and that answer changes everything. The AI hype promised 40% cost reductions across business operations. Gartner projected AI would eliminate 85 million jobs by 2025. Those headlines drove massive AI adoption. But here's what the projections missed entirely. A 2024 RAND Corporation study found 60% of enterprise AI deployments exceeded budget. Not by 10%. By an average of 2.3 times the original estimate. Reddit's r/machine learning and r/artificial threads are filled with engineers sharing identical stories. Blown budgets. Stalled projects. Quiet returns to human workers. Something nobody predicted is hiding in the fine print. Wait until you see where the money actually disappears. The sticker price of AI tools is almost never the real price. ChatGPT Enterprise costs $60 per user per month. That sounds reasonable for a 50-person team. That's $36,000 per year just for access. But that's just the beginning. You need cloud computing infrastructure on top of that. AWS and Azure costs for AI workloads average $8,000 to $25,000 monthly for mid-size companies. Then add the engineers to build and maintain those pipelines. A single AI engineer costs $165,000 per year on average in the US. One Reddit user posted their startup's annual AI stack cost, $280,000 total. Their replaced content team? They earned $95,000 combined. The math stopped working somewhere between the pitch deck and the invoice. But here's where it gets even more interesting. The hidden costs aren't even the biggest problem. Every failed AI deployment costs money twice. First you pay to build it. Then you pay to fix or abandon it. McKinsey's 2024 data shows 47% of AI pilots never reach production. That's nearly half of every dollar spent producing zero return. A Reddit thread on r/startups went viral in early 2024. A founder described spending 14 months and $190,000 building an AI customer support system. Result? Customers hated it. They rehired 4 human agents for $52,000 per year total. Response satisfaction scores jumped 31% immediately. That's not an edge case. A Stanford study found AI hallucination rates in customer-facing applications average 23%. Every hallucination is a failed interaction. Failed interactions cost companies 15% more in recovery support. The failure tax is real, measurable, and almost never appears in vendor ROI calculators. But the next section reveals the one factor that actually predicts success. Reddit figured out something expensive consultants are still getting wrong. AI doesn't replace workers. It replaces specific tasks. That distinction costs companies millions when they ignore it. The viral Reddit post from user u/quantDataEngineer broke it down cleanly. AI is highly cost-effective for tasks that are repetitive, high volume, and low stakes. Think invoice processing, spam filtering, basic data labeling. Those use cases hit 60% to 80% cost savings consistently. But complex judgment tasks? Creative work? Sensitive customer interactions? AI costs 3x more and performs 40% worse. A Deloitte analysis confirmed this exact pattern across 1,200 companies. The companies with positive AI ROI shared one trait. They deployed AI narrowly, not broadly. The companies losing money tried to replace entire job functions at once. They paid for that ambition with budget overruns averaging $340,000 per failed deployment. The final section reveals exactly which approach smart businesses are switching to right now. Here are the 3 things you need to remember. First, AI infrastructure costs average 2.3 times original budget estimates. Plan for that. Second, 47% of AI pilots never reach production, so small and specific deployments win. Third, AI beats humans on repetitive tasks but loses badly on complex judgment calls. If you found this useful, Hit like and subscribe for weekly AI business breakdowns. Now I want to hear from you. Has your company's AI spending ever surprised you? Drop your number in the comments.